how to create photo collage in Facebook story. Now, the very first thing we're going to do if we were to create a photo collage consisting of multiple photos to post on our Facebook story is to tap on create story right here and then go to our gallery, or we can pretty much go to an album that we want to use and then tap on select multiple right here. After tapping on that, all we have to do is to tap on the photos that we want to add to our photo collage. Let's say right here. There. And once we've done adding the photos, all you have to do is to tap on next right here and select this section that says photo collage. You just have to tap on that. And now the Facebook story has given us the option to collage our photos. Now we can pretty much change the background by tapping on this one right here. Right there. We can choose whatever background we want it to be. And then after that, all we have to do to share this specific photo collage in our Facebook story is to tap on share right here. So that's how to create photo collage in Facebook story. Hope we helped.